Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will talk about how to repair corrupted image files online free or by using freeware. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. To repair a GIF image file online, we have something called EasyGIF. It helps repair corrupt GIF images which either have a problem with frames or anything similar. This online tool can fix it. It can fix by removing corrupt frames, redrawing frames without optimizations, and even reset color tables. Once the file is uploaded, you can choose between dropping the corrupt frames, unoptimizing it, you can GIF cycle unoptimize, you can reset the color tables, and so on. Also, you can edit the image by changing its size, you can rotate it, you can optimize it, you can reverse, you can use effects, you can change the speed, you can write on it, censor certain images, overlay, cut, split frames, and finally save it. This tool is completely free and the image can be downloaded with any restriction or watermark. Now remember that the max size that can be uploaded is a 35 megabit GIF. You can also use an image converter website. These websites should be able to fix the metadata of the uploaded images while converting to another format. The format can be kept the same, and after the conversion, the user will have a fixed image which can be opened on a Windows 10 PC. Here, you can choose whatever file that you want to upload. You can then convert it to any sort of other images. You can change the size, the grayscale, the color scale. You can also sharpen it, you can change the DPI, you can crop the pixels, and you can actually easily just convert it at the touch of a button. There's also a free JPEG image repair software. If there's a copy of the image which is in a different format or resolution or orientation, i.e. an image shared on social media or over WhatsApp, this tool can be used to repair the actual image by using a reference image. Now make sure to always keep a copy of the corrupted file before trying this tool. The software can be downloaded from the article linked in the description. The freeware version of this JPEG repair software is functional, but batch mode and a few other things are disabled. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.